Go ahead. Welcome to Nana's Cook and Craft Corner. On this video, I will be showing you how to make these really cute origami paper clips to put on journals. I thought you could put them on other things besides journals. You can put them on gift packages, tags, many things you can use these on. And they're pretty simple to make, and I'll be coming up with other origami projects too. If you enjoy this, please leave a comment down below, and let's get started.
Okay, now do whatever you have to do.
Am I right in the... No, look, now the pert is in the camera.
Yeah, it's in the camera.
Okay, so stay right here because it's going to be fast. Okay, so this sheet, you could do really any size, but this sheet is 3.5 by 3.5. Any size. I decided they look pretty cool with, you know, old paper, but any designer paper, anything basically you can do that can fold easily. So we're going to take 3.5 by 3.5, and we're going to fold it diagonally across. Alright, I want this to be sewn, so I'm going to put it this way. Now, if it doesn't fold exactly right, I kind of come and trim it anyways, but yeah, my cutting's pretty good. Now, this is the simple part. So we just fold it in, and then we're going to take this and come over to the corner. Okay? And I'm not going to press it down quite yet. I want to make sure this is all folds nicely, and you're going to do the same for the other side. Alright. Let's see if it's... Okay, so I can bring this one down just a bit because I don't like how it's turning at the bottom. And let's try that. That comes out even because I want this to fold, and that's exactly what's going to happen. So you have it at this point, and you can do many things with it at this point. I have a paper clip. I did one already here to show you. All right, so we're going to show you. It's at that point right here. You can take the flaps and insert. All right, you open this up here, and it inserts right in there. It fits really nicely inside. Let's get it bent in here, and you can hide that section right in here if you want, or you can leave them both out. There's so many choices you can do with these little purses. Alright, put them in here. So, in the flap. Okay, so then we can put it down like that if you like that look. You can turn it around and do this look, which I have right here. That's why I'm showing you in the background. There's different ways that I did it. Or you can totally hide this one too. And when you open it up, there's a little section right here you can put in there. Which I think, for this one, I'm going to do it just like that. So there's different choices how to do it. And they also open up, as you can see. You can insert things in it, which I plan on doing some videos with little mini books and envelopes at a later stage. Alright, so we're going to get decorating it. And I got my ink pad here. And for this one, I want to ink all the edges on this, so I'm going to come across and ink the edges up. And I'm going to come across, you don't have to do the back, but just so you don't, it shows up nice on the front. There, it looks pretty good. Move that out of the way. Now you can glue this down if you want, which I think I will. You don't have to. It'll stay down. But I am going to be putting a paper clip, so it's going to go down anyways. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue right at the corner here. And before I'm going to put the paper clip last, but I'm going to decorate this. So this is kind of cute. Alright, so we're going to come in with the lace. Again, this is the fun part. You can decorate it any way you want. You know, whatever you have at home. You know, use your old, and this is great again for another thing to use up your old leftover paper that you have and you want to know what to do with it. This is a great idea. So I'm going to put some glue on here. This one's going to look a little bit kind of rustic vintage, this little one I'm going to do. And I'll be doing more. I want to, you'll see where all this stuff comes later on in a video. I'm going to be doing a journal, how to make a quick, easy journal. And I most likely will be using some of this stuff to show you with. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I had this little flower here I thought would be kind of cute right here. So I'm going to put the flower here. Alright. And we're going to put a flower there. And I'm going to open it up, and this doesn't have to have a handle if you don't want it to be, but I'm going to put a handle to it, so I'm going to open it up. And I got some twine I'm going to use. I thought that would be kind of a cute little bag here. You can use anything for a handle. Let's see if it's got too much. No, I think it's going to be good. So we'll put some glue on this side. And this side. Alright, get that in. Press it down. I press it till it dries a little bit, and then I'll reopen it to make sure, because I want to use it as a 3D project, like put books or whatever. It'll look really cute. Okay, so we're going to flip it over, and this is how we're going to do the paper clip. I have different sizes depending on the size of the purse. This is one I'm going to use, a big one. And you just basically, it's not too hard. You just kind of clip the section on here. And I cut it down. After I clip it, I only use exactly what I need to hold the paper clip. And make sure, if it doesn't fit, that's when you're going to come out. You make sure that it doesn't show the cardboard part. Let's cut it more. And we'll straighten it out on the sheet here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Because you don't want to show the base part of this, and we're just going to glue some. I'm going to take some glue and glue it around. Just don't want to show the base, but you don't. It's okay to show the paper clip. I just don't want the base showing. Because then it's going to just clip on wherever you want to clip it on, to a journal or whatever. I will find some projects later on to show you what you can do with these. Okay. Alright, that was pretty simple, and it looks so cute. This is another one I just wanted to show you, folding in, out, leaving it out. So that's just, you can take that off, Bruce. I don't think we should that at all, actually. Okay. So here it is. Let's bring all the books in for now. We don't have to say that either. Right now, we're going to do the end. So thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.